In this video, I'm going to walk you through the WhatsApp coexisting feature that is available globally. The WhatsApp coexisting feature allows you to use your business WhatsApp number inside the CRM simultaneously. This means you will be able to use the CRM features such as automation, bulk messaging, and access all of the analytics inside the CRM of the same phone number that you can also use inside your WhatsApp business phone account without sacrificing mobile features such as status, groups, or even calling. And more importantly, without risking policy violations or bans. So with the coexisting feature, you can reply to your customers either through the phone or through the CRM without losing the history. You can also run bulk campaigns and automations if you want to reach many people at the same time with that same number that you're using inside of your phone. You can't do that with the phone with the WhatsApp business only. You would need the CRM to do that. Some prerequisites and limitation of the WhatsApp coexisting feature are that this feature is not available in Nigeria and South Africa. Please make sure you've always your WhatsApp business app on your phone up to date and it's always the latest version. And please note you can only use one particular phone number for the coexisting feature. You cannot use multiple different phone numbers for the coexisting feature. You can, however, have multiple WhatsApp numbers, yes, but only one for the coexisting feature. If you have previously integrated with Lead Connector, please go ahead and delete the WhatsApp business app and reinstall it. Then sign up again before enabling the coexisting feature. If you disconnect the number, you must wait 1 to 2 months and use the number actively before you be able to reconnect it again. You must also link a Facebook page to the WhatsApp business app. Please remember, sending templates is not supported through the business app. You'll have to do this through the CRM. You will also be able to manage your WhatsApp profile from the app itself, not from the CRM side of things. Now let me show you how you can set this up. So first, let me show you how you can connect your Facebook page and or Instagram to the WhatsApp business app. Open up your WhatsApp business app. At the bottom, you can see tools. Click on tools, scroll down until you see Facebook and Instagram under manage your account. Click on that. And then here you can connect Facebook and or Instagram. Let's try Facebook. Click the plus, click get started. And then it pulls up all of these Facebook pages that are connected to my Facebook profile. If you don't have a Facebook page yet, you'll be seeing the opportunity to create one. And then let's just simply click connect page. So first what we want to do is click on settings bottom left, then click on WhatsApp on the left. Then click the connect WhatsApp business app button, the first one, and then follow the wizard from there. From here, you will need to connect your Facebook to the Lead Connector app. Just hit continue, review your permissions, and click on the get started button. From here, you need to select your Facebook business page. If you don't have one yet, you can go ahead and create a new one. Then fill in your business name, add the website or profile page, select your country and hit next. Here we are going to select our onboarding type. You can either select connect your existing WhatsApp business app, which is what we're here for, or you can also start with a new WhatsApp phone number. So we are going to click connect your existing WhatsApp business app for now, and then we're going to click next. Here we are going to select our country code and add our WhatsApp business number and then hit next. Then a QR code will be generated and show up. Here you'll be able to import contacts and the chat history up to 6 months. You use the WhatsApp business app to scan this particular QR code that will show up on your screen. To start the process, look for a message from the official Facebook business account and then tap connect. So to import the contacts and the chat history, look for a message from the official Facebook business account on your WhatsApp business app. WhatsApp is Meta, okay? So click on the scan the QR code button once you find that message, which looks like this. Then you scan the QR code to complete the connection. Now you can continue using your WhatsApp business app along with the business platform. Click scan QR code. Then here you can select whether or not you would like to share the chats. Once you've selected your option, click scan QR code and ta-da! Your WhatsApp business app is now successfully integrated with the Lead Connector app. The exact synchronization time between your contacts and chat history takes typically between 4 and 6 hours, but really it depends on the volume of data that has to be transferred. Once complete, your chat history will be accessible under the Conversations tab, and the contacts will be stored under the Contacts tab. During the synchronization process, please make sure that the WhatsApp business app stays open for the synchronization purposes. Also, please make sure that your device is connected to a very stable internet connection because all of these things will affect the data transfer. Since your number is connected to the CRM now, you can take advantage of the advanced CRM capabilities. These are bulk messaging, automation and workflows, interactive templates, as well as voice messaging, messages, and even the in-app appointment booking feature. Now, how does the WhatsApp billing work? Messages sent from the CRM, they will be charged based on the pricing model available. Only admins of a location will be able to access the coexisting WhatsApp feature. Enabling the coexisting feature will not disrupt or override existing settings. It simply allows multiple functionalities to coexist smoothly. If you have already a Meta verified blue badge, these cannot be transferred. If you want to disconnect your phone later, you can just simply do that while logging into the WhatsApp Business app. Go to Settings, Business Tools, WhatsApp Business Platform, and then click on Disconnect Lead Connector. This coexisting feature uses a Meta-approved cloud API, which means your WhatsApp account is in safe hands and will not get banned. And if you want to learn how to go out and sell GohighLevel and or WhatsApp by itself as a feature, click the links around this video and I will see you on the other side.